What's up my Shoogies? Ashley here, and in today's video I'm going to show you my version of a natural makeup look. In 3 easy steps and just using a few products, I'm going to show you how to achieve an easy, quick, and beautiful natural makeup look. So if you're interested in seeing this video, then just keep watching. Alright you guys, let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is get this hair out of my face. Okay, so I've already moisturized my face with my argan oil, and I'm going to now prime my face with my Kane & Austin mattifying primer. I love this. I think everyone needs to try it. It has SPF in it. It's just the best of life. So now that we've dotted on the primer on our face, we are going to blend it in, and we're going to do this in 3 steps. Priming, foundation, and concealer, and then setting the face. We will do a few additional steps, but for those who just want a quick, easy, natural look, we're going to do these first 3 steps. So we're going to quickly blend this in the face. I don't blend it underneath the eyes, just because I find that sometimes it can make me a little bit too dry. So we're going to blend it everywhere except beneath the eyes. Now, for step 2, I'm going to do my Hourglass stick foundation. I find mixing this with some kind of glowy base makes it very natural, light, yet pretty. So I'm going to mix these two and also at the same time put on my concealer. So we're going to blend it all together in one step. So the first thing I do, which I'm using the shade Sand in the Hourglass Finishing Stick Foundation, I just do 3 stripes on each side, 1 across the forehead, down my nose, and across my chin. I personally love the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Glow Glotion. And they use this in the deep shade, the darkest one that they have. I believe they have 3. Take it and I, in a very messy fashion, mix this all over my face. And then we are going to put on our concealer. I'm going to use the Colorpop No Filter Concealer in the color Medium 20. And I just go right underneath the eye, down the sides of my nose, around my chin, and at the top of my forehead. So now that I look like a crazy lady, I'm going to mix this all together using my Real Techniques 302 brush. This is very similar to the e.l.f. one I have talked about many times in my other videos. And we're just going to lightly mix everything together, one fell swoop. Starting with the cheeks, we're going to blend our way down, and I will finish underneath the eyes. The thing that I love about this stick foundation is it truly does mix and blend into the skin so easy and effortlessly. I have not yet found another stick foundation that does the same thing, so that's why I stick with it. They also are coming out with a liquid version, but I really like the easiness of the stick. So as far as under the eyes, I just tap. Step 3, I'm going to use the Coty Airspun for underneath my eyes and my Laura Mercier Translucent Glow Setting Powder, not the regular one, the Glow, because we want to be natural, glowy, luminous, and pretty. So these two, I'm sure now I'm going to pay for that. These two are going to be a good combination. So underneath the eyes, I'm going to use my Morphe M554 because I love that shape to quickly get underneath the eyes. If you want to lightly tap out any marks. I just dip in, and in a very, again, easy, messy, there's no wrong way to do this fashion, stamp it underneath the eyes, down the smile lines, across the chin, and I go, look at the clap, and I go up my forehead. So literally an exact T. For the, ooh, that smell. The rest of my face, I'm going to use the translucent glow powder from Laura Mercier, and I'm going to use my Sephora Pro airbrush number 55. And I'm going to generously, do you see how this looks like? Oh my gosh, I just put highlighter all over my face. Don't be alarmed. Generously apply this all over, but pat it in using patting motions. And as you pat it in, you're not only going to set the face, but you're going to brush all that heavy glow into the skin instead of it piling on and looking like highlighter. And we're brushing away the set underneath our eyes. When I first did this, I was like, I messed it up, because I thought I was going to have a face full of highlighter, but something about the glow that they put inside the Laura Mercier powder, it just blends into the skin, and I don't know, it's magic. That completes step 3. So if you want to stop here, you are more than welcome to. You have a nice even canvas. You have a natural glow. It's giving you a tiny bit of coverage. You can run out the door and be on your way. But if you want to take it a little bit further, then I'm going to do a brow, a bronzer, and a lip. So we'll do those bonus 3 steps. So for the brow, when I'm on the go, when I'm in a hurry, I love the NYX Precise Brow Pencil, and we're going to use this in the color Soft Brown. So I start by brushing them upwards, going right in this space here where, for whatever reason, probably my poor decisions in high school, I have some sparse spots. So I'm going to start there and follow the natural line down the brow to the tail. Brush it out, and now we're going to move forward from that spot to the front, just giving a nice crisp line at the bottom. Then I brush them up again, find any other spots that I missed. Now I'm going to turn it vertically and get these front hairs to fill in any other sparse spots that I see. Brush them up one more time, and as you can see, now giving that more even illusion to the eye. So I'm going to finish the other one, and I will be right back. Okay, now we are on to the bronzer and the lip. So for this, I'm going to go with a little bit of a lighter coverage, the Marc Jacobs Omega bronzer, and I'm going to use a little Sephora powder brush. So I'm just gonna go around the hairline. Again, the same patting motions we had earlier, just to give us a little bit of color. Now for the lip, I'm going to use my MAC Cherish, which is a really nice nude, shocking, with a little bit of the Babylips chapstick on top of it. Again, just to give us a little bit more of a natural finish, nothing too crazy, no gloss, no super matte lip. And as a final step, our mascara. Instead of mixing the two to give us ultra dramatic lashes, I like to do one nice light coat using my Maybelline Big Shot mascara. Starting at the lash line and brushing up. And again, for the more natural look, I do leave it off my lower lash line. Of course, that is optional, but... Alright, you guys, that completes this natural makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoyed. I'm going to link everything that I used in the description box below. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and find me on my social media. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.